gonna try to catch all the círculo all the circles. They are gonna come falling down, but you and we need to try to catch just the circles. Are you ready? Let's go! Oh, atole! There's another one! Oh, right here! No, that's not a círculo. There's one! Oh. Where's the other one? Do you see a círculo? Do you see a circle? Where? Ah, here it is. Good job. Let's try to catch only the vierkant. No other shape. There's one. Oh, one. No, that's not a vierkant. Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. Do you see another vierkant? Where is it? Unda eta. Where is it? Ah, there it is. Okay, let's try to catch only the rectangular shape. There's one. Another one. Oh, rectangular. Got you. Do you see another rectangular? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Let's try to catch only the triangles when they come down. Are you ready? Are you standing? Say sí. Say yes. Okay, hopi bong. Let's go. Do you see a triangle? Do you see a triangulo? There's one. And there's one. There's one. Triangulo. Do you see another triangulo? Unda eta. Where is it? Unda eta. Ah, there it is. Okay, this is it, guys. Are you ready? We're gonna try to catch all the corazón. Let's go. There's one. Another one. Oh, there's one. There's one. Do you see another corazón? Where is it? Unda eta. Show me. Here it is. I got it. Did you get it? Good job. Okay, who's ready? This is our last shape. Nos último forma. We are gonna catch the stars. Let's go. Do you see stars? Do you see estrella? Here's one. There's one. And there's one. Come on. Catch the stars. Estrella. Do you see one more star? Where is it? Show me. Mostrame. Unda eta. Here it is. I caught all the estrella.